Hey Michael, you want to see me? Yes. Have a seat. Kai, I just want to tell you that you have been fired. What are you saying, Michael? The company is facing financial problems. We have no choice. But I have a family. I need this job. Yes. Okay, no problem. Oh, yes. It's easy to shine through a good time. It's only after our world has been shaken that we find our true identity. What are you doing? I was just put the money back. I need this money. There's no reason. Stay where you are. Please, stay back. No! I'm sorry, Michael, but I have no